The astronauts have come back safely. It is also a testimony to the human genius of how the world is leveraging technology. I completely welcome and I'm very glad that all the astronauts have come back safely to Earth.
And sir, on demonstration issue,
See, the census has to be done next year in 2026. If the constituencies are going to be capped at 543 and the constituencies are going to be redrawn on the basis of the new census, South India will lose seats. Particularly Tamil Nadu will lose seats because we have effectively implemented family planning and population control. And that will be unfair. You can't penalize states and regions for implementing family planning. And you can't be rewarding states which have failed in controlling population and giving them more seats. And if you increase the seats to 888 and give proportionate increase to all states, the increase in South India will be far less than the increase in North India. At the moment, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry put together are 40 seats. 39 plus 1, whereas Uttar Pradesh has 80 seats. So we are one half of Uttar Pradesh. In the new ratio, if they increase it proportionately, Uttar Pradesh will go close to 150 and we will come to something like 50 odd. So we will be one third of Uttar Pradesh. So again our gearing will go down. So our voice will be lesser in parliament. And secondly, a parliament of 888 people, in my opinion, will not be effective. As it is with 543 people, we don't get enough time to speak. We can't really effectively debate. But with the parliament of 888, you will have lesser time and lesser debate. It will only become a stamping house and not a true debating house.
and sir, on the issue of voter ID card linked with...
See, I think all discussions must happen. We must explore all possibilities. What decisions we take must be based on consultations and consensus. But discussions and exploratory discussions must happen, and I welcome exploratory discussions.
Sir, when we asked to Indian resident to buy fuel from Russia, Shashi Tharoor says, I am still wiping the egg off my face.
As I said, Mr. Shashi Tharoor went to the tough school of diplomacy, whereas I only studied law, so he's much more experienced than me to talk about diplomacy, so I have really no comments on his views.